Back again. Repair care course today. I'm gonna make this place my new home. But yeah, repair care course today. Should be cool. I'll keep you guys updated to see how I get on with it. See if any of you should be doing it. Yeah, do a little sort of, well, not review, but a little video saying how I got on. Is that Jordan wants to show off his work. He just said, "Oh, show everyone the apprentice work." And now he's being all shy over there. He's not done too bad, has he? Start sticking him on these jobs. Bar it up, boy. Butter that bit up, boy. Yeah, butter that bit up. That's the buttering done. Slap it on. I think we might need some more over here. Not enough. It's not enough. Go on.
Do I fill that in there now? Yeah, that could be.
Yeah. It's not too bad. Good as new.
So what do we all think then?
We'll film Jordan's attempt. Get that level, boy. Look at that though. Look at that. Solid. Oh. It's not bad, is it? Not a bad attempt. How are we doing, guys? Just got back from the Dulux Academy. All in all, the repair care course was really good. Yeah, I learned a fair bit. I mean, the main thing I've taken away from it is we as decorators, we can save customers a hell of a lot of money when it comes to windows and sort of basically repairing instead of replacing. They literally showed us like if a window is falling apart, like half of it's all rotten and whatnot, you can literally use this resin stuff. You can like splice a bit of wood into it or whatever, and good as new, ready to go again. They showed us a few pictures of it being done, like what had been done. There's a few cool ones there. You can mold it, you can shape it. It's a pretty cool product. I'm definitely gonna be using it for all my external jobs in the summer. I mean, it's fairly easy to use if you're a filler, if you're good at filling. It's a worthwhile course if you want to learn about it. Rep was super helpful, sort of walked us through everything. And if you've seen the videos or whatever, I did a fairly good job, and that's like my first try. So it's good stuff. It really is. People might think it's a bit pricey, but when you actually find out what it does, the price makes sense, because it's not a filler. It's not. You can actually use it to make a new piece of wood. It's clever stuff. So I'd recommend the course to anyone. It's worth learning about. It's definitely another weapon to have in your arsenal. Apart from that, if any of you got any questions, then send me a message and I'll answer. I left this in the van. We got to keep our little repair care thing. Now it's all dry. It's solid stuff, it really is. You see that repair there? It's solid. So that splice, solid. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand it all back. And I'm actually gonna use this as like a sample sort of window. And I can paint it up, show what it looks like painted. See how it covers first of all. I thought might as well not waste it. I might as well do a few videos on it. I can do a bit of tape in there, and I can show you how I tape corners, and I can try a few different paints on it, because I still got a few paints that I haven't tried yet from the decorating show. A bag full of samples indoors, so that's sort of perfect for me to give them a go. I think I've got like some MSP intact from Tickerilla, uncanned stuff. So yeah, it'll be interesting to chuck some of that on there and just see what the paint's like, so then I can see if I want to use the bigger tins of the paint. I haven't had an excuse to use them until now. Jordan's also kept his, so we've got two of them. So we can sort of have one painted up, and we can have the other one with just the repair care in it, and we can actually use it as like a sample. We can show people what repair care does. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool they get to keep it. That's me out. See you later.